Have you ever tried to type an @ symbol to tag someone and instead your keyboard spits out period, or even sometimes something worse? Do you have a dead or complete broken key on your laptop that just refuses to work no matter how hard you pressed it? Hey everyone, this is Tech with Philip. Whether you are firing a professional email, managing project documents, or writing lines of C++ code, a misaligned or broken keyboard is the absolute worst workflow killer. But don't throw your laptop away or buy a new keyboard just yet. Today, I am going to show you how to easily remap every single key on your keyboard, including fixing those dead keys by routing them to unused ones, using a free official tool called Microsoft PowerToys. Let's get into it. First thing first, we need Microsoft PowerToys. If you don't have it yet, you are missing out on one of the best utility apps for Windows. Just open up the Microsoft Store, search for PowerToys, and hit install. It's completely free and developed by Microsoft, so therefore it's super safe to use. Once installed, just open it. Inside PowerToys, look at the menu on the left side and scroll down until you see Keyboard Manager. Click on that and make sure the toggle at the top is turned on. Now, once you find Keyboard Manager and toggle it on, look at the side. You see a small arrow there. Just click on it. It will open a menu for you. Now, look for the button that says Remap a key. Click the plus icon to create a new rule. This is where the magic happens. So let's say on your keyboard, when you hit on the period key or full stop, it gives you a slash instead of full stop. In order to fix this, under the physical key, you would select the key that actually gives you the wrong output, right? So in this case, you select the period key or the full stop key. So after that, under the mapped to, then you select the actual key that you want it to give you. So your full stop is giving you a slash instead of a full stop. So now when you select the full stop key, then under the map to, then you would have to select a full stop. So that when you press it, it will now give you a full stop as is expected. Here's the real lifesaver. This works for every single key. So let's say your W key is completely broken and doesn't function at all when you tap on it. You can map the W to a key that you don't usually use on the keyboard. Yes, so something like the scroll lock, page up, or any other key that you don't mostly use. You see that some keys are just there that you barely use. You can map that W key to that key. The keyboard manager doesn't stop there. You can also set up custom dedicated shortcuts for your engineering software or design tools right below the key mapper. So after doing all your remappings and you feel like you're okay, just scroll up and then hit on save, the save button. Once you hit on save, you get a pop-up. Just click on continue anyway, and then boom, your keys will be remapped. If this video saved your keyboard from the trash bin, make sure to smash the like button. It really helps the channel out. Subscribe for more tech tips, tutorials, and engineering projects. Drop a comment below if you have any other weird Windows issues you want me to solve, or let me know which broken key you just fixed. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Tech with Philip. Bye.